Hi, I'm Matthias, and in this video I share with you my 3 months experience with the DJI Mavic Mini. My girlfriend gave me the Mavic Mini to Christmas, and is it still worth the money in 2022? The Mavic Mini is my first drone, and one of my first impressions was how good is the quality and how easy is it to use it. I started flying with the Mavic Mini the day after Christmas, and I was really impressed about the photo and video quality. You can use the Mavic Mini for a lot of things like travel videos in your vacations, like landscape videos, and of course for YouTube videos, whatever it is you want to capture. Even if you want to film something what you could film with the phone or a camera, thanks to the gimbal, the Mavic Mini is a good choice to give you steady footage. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Well, like I mentioned before, one of the really great things is how easy is it to use, how beginner friendly is the Mavic Mini. You get really fast into it and can make good footage. And how light and small the Mavic Mini is really cool. And the great price is really awesome. I think right now you can buy the Fly More combo approx 400 euros or $440. That's a really fair price. And the flight time is really amazing. With one battery I'm approx 25 minutes in the air. What is negative in it? Yeah, what I really is missing here is the active track function. And the camera don't have 4K resolution, but for me it's really okay. I'm happy with the 2.7K resolution as well. There's one last thing what I don't like so much is the range. It could be a little bit better, but all in all, the pros definitely outright the cons. Even in 2022 it's still worth the money. And if you're a beginner, it's a really good deal to get into the drone world. For this price it's really the best you can get. You can use this Mavic Mini for gain experience and later on upgrade on a bigger version if you want. So that's from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.